Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we have an incredible topic to dive into. It's the rise of the machines, and it's all about Tesla's robot invasion. That's right, folks. The company known for its groundbreaking electric vehicles is taking its technological prowess to a whole new level. In this video, we'll explore the latest developments, the impact on industries, and what it means for the future. So, buckle up and let's get started. Before we jump into the exciting world of Tesla's robots, let's quickly recap Tesla's journey so far. Tesla, founded by Elon Musk, has been at the forefront of revolutionizing the automotive industry with their electric vehicles. Their cars have reshaped the way we think about transportation, making electric vehicles more mainstream than ever before. But now, Tesla is venturing beyond the roads and into the realm of robotics. In June 2022, Tesla made a groundbreaking announcement at their annual AI Day event. They unveiled a humanoid robot prototype, known as the Tesla Bot. This sleek, cutting-edge robot is designed to perform tasks that are repetitive, dangerous, or mundane for humans. It stands at 5'8", weighs 125 pounds, and comes equipped with advanced sensors and a sophisticated AI system. Let's take a closer look at what the Tesla Bot is capable of. With its advanced sensors and AI, the Tesla Bot can navigate and move around in the real world autonomously. It has a maximum speed of 5 miles per hour and can carry up to 45 pounds. Whether it's doing household chores, assisting with physical work, or even running errands, the Tesla Bot is designed to be a helpful companion. The introduction of Tesla's humanoid robot has sparked discussions about its potential impact on various industries. Let's delve into some of the key areas where the Tesla Bot could make a significant difference. 1. Manufacturing and warehousing. Factories and warehouses often involve repetitive tasks that can be physically demanding for human workers. Tesla Bot's strength and agility could make it a valuable asset in these environments. With its precision and ability to learn, the Tesla Bot can potentially optimize workflows and increase productivity. 2. Healthcare and assistance. In the healthcare sector, the Tesla Bot could provide assistance to medical professionals, helping with tasks such as fetching supplies, monitoring patients, or aiding in physical therapy. Its ability to navigate safely could be particularly beneficial for patients with mobility challenges. 3. Household chores. Say goodbye to mundane household chores. The Tesla Bot has the potential to take care of tasks like cleaning, laundry, and even cooking. Imagine coming home to a spotless house, thanks to your trusty Tesla Bot. While the Tesla Bot brings exciting possibilities, there are also concerns and limitations to consider. 1. Safety and trust. Ensuring the safety of both humans and robots is of utmost importance. Tesla's AI technology will need to be robust enough to prevent accidents or unintended harm. Building trust between humans and robots will be crucial for widespread acceptance. 2. Job displacement. The rise of automation and robotics always raises questions about job displacement. As robots like the Tesla Bot become more capable, it's natural to wonder how they might impact employment. It's essential to find a balance where technology complements human workers rather than replacing them entirely. Looking ahead, the future seems promising and exciting. The Tesla Bot is just the beginning of Tesla's foray into robotics. As technology advances, we may see even more capable robots with a range of applications. Collaborative robots, or cobots, could work alongside humans, enhancing productivity and efficiency across multiple industries. That wraps up our exploration of Tesla's robot invasion. From their groundbreaking electric vehicles to their venture into humanoid robotics, Tesla continues to push the boundaries of innovation. The rise of the machines is upon us, and it's fascinating to witness the possibilities. Don't forget to leave your thoughts and opinions in the comments below, and for more videos like this one, please make sure hit that subscribe button and bell icon. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.